What's up, YouTube? What if I told you that you could be making as much as $50 just for recording a quick selfie video? Sounds good? Stay with me. I'm going to tell you all about it in a second. Before I do, a quick introduction. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I'm one of the few people who can actually pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, here on the channel, what I do is I provide these free training videos talking about various ways to make money online, to drive traffic, all kinds of entrepreneurial kind of stuff.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
I also review software and info products in the make money online niche so that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Now, if you are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribing really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. And go ahead and like this video, comment down below, let me know what kind of videos you want to see here. I really want to hear from you. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll the intro. Hey YouTube, so you want to know how to make some serious money, so here you go. This is a website that I found. It's called Mind Swarms. It's really cool, actually.
This is so cool.
Now, basically, this does work all over the world. You don't have to be only in the United States. I know that a lot of these kind of things that they require you to be American only. This works everywhere in the world.
For you! I'm so happy for you!
But, of course, it's based on where you're located, how many surveys they're going to give you to respond to. And the issue is going to be, of course, that, well, you know, some parts of the world are going to have more surveys available than other parts.
Gosh darn it, anyway.
So, but I'm going to show you how it works real quick. Basically, all you're going to do is you're going to register for an account. Okay, you're going to click Participant Center here. You are going to need, obviously, a camera and a decent microphone.
Lights, camera, talk now.
I personally use a high-definition webcam along with a Blue Yeti microphone, but you can get away with something cheaper than that. You can even use your phone if it's a good quality phone, if it's got a good camera and good microphone. Basically, just want to make sure that you're able to be heard clearly.
Can you hear me now? Good.
So I'm going to go ahead and just go through the sign-up process real quick for you to show you how it works. I've actually signed up already for it, but not a big deal. Okay, well, let me show you. Basically, all you're going to do is like this. You're going to fill out a form saying who you are, where you live, etc., etc. It's going to ask to see your location. So, unfortunately, even if you have an American address, that doesn't really help you because they're actually going to check what your location is. You can, of course, use a VPN, which would mask your location.
Sneaky minx.
But basically, what you're going to do is like this. You're going to go ahead and give them the information, and they're going to ask you to record a 60-second video. Basically, just talking about anything that you're passionate about.
What is that foreign concept you speak of? Passion? Is that really a thing?
What they really want to see, they don't really care about it. What they want to see is that the video sounds clear, that you're not dark or washed out, and that the sound is clear. Because basically, what you're doing is what you're going to do over here is you're going to be recording videos reacting to various products. So,
Is this going to be on TV?
Coast to coast.
so, for example, I can show you over here, there's these three things. So, for example, if you're Hispanic origin, then you can be paid $50. Let me move myself out of the way over here. Here I go. Okay, you can be paid $50, basically, in order to do a quick video about your food culture. Okay, or this one, apply this study, tell us about your food choices. They do require that this one requires Americans. As I said, there are surveys that do not require you to be an American, but of course, the majority of them require an American. Okay, or if you ate pork for dinner, or plan to have pork for dinner, then you can go ahead and do a quick video about that. And again, they have all kinds of studies all the time. There's all kinds of stuff coming in.
We want to know everything.
And they will also email you to let you know.
You got mail.
And you can see you get paid up to $50 for a recording, and it's usually like about a minute or two recording. It's not like you have to sit there for an hour recording for your $50. It's really, really very, very little involved in doing this.
Well, that's a relief.
So that's pretty much the whole site. It's not going to give you a full-time living, unfortunately. There's not going to be enough servers to go around.
Hey, that's no fair. I don't got none of them.
But it's a nice little side hustle. A little extra cash on the side always helps. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to go and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. And go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.